Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain about some more numerical problems on quadratic equations. In this, the first problem is a two-digit number is such that the product of the digits is 8. When 18 is added to the number, they interchange their places. Determine the number. So, one number is there, it is having two digits. Suppose x or y, two digits, it is having two digits. In units place x, in tens place y is there. How can you form this number x plus 10y? Because its units value x plus tens place value how much is there? Suppose 54 is there. How can you write this? 4, 5 into 10, 4 plus 50. Then only this is 54. So tens place unit we should multiply with 10. So x plus 10y will form. So that you remember. Now let the units place digit is x, tens place digit is y. Therefore, the number is what? Units place x plus tens place 10y. This is the number. Okay. That is the number. Digits are in like this there. 10y plus x or x plus 10y. No problem. Okay. Units place digit is x, tens place digit is y, such that the number is there. Now conditions now such that two digits x or y, such that the product of the digits is 8. Given product of the digits is 8 given. Therefore, now our digits is x or y, product means xy is equal to 8. So y we want means 8 by x. This is equation 1. Why? Because all in single variable only we should consider. That means the equation should be in single variable. That's why y value in terms of x, y is equal to 8 by x. Okay. Now next condition, see, when 18 is added to the number, they interchange their places. That means x plus y, y plus x changes when 18 is added. So when 18 added, the number will be 18 added, the number is what? X plus 10y. If 18 added is this one, it becomes this. But according to given problem, see, according to given problem, when 18 is added, they interchange their places. That means when 18 is added, this becomes interchange their places means the number will interchange their places. So y plus 10x, x place units place value goes to tens place value goes to digit goes to units place, interchange. So this is the condition. Now by this condition you form equation. So x plus 10y plus 18 minus y minus 10x 0. Now these two minus 9x, these two plus 9y, okay, 10 no, minus 1. This is plus 18 is equal to 0. X plus 9y minus 8x minus 8, first only 8. Okay, now with 9 we can divide. 9 is divisible. So minus x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation. In this y value we can substitute from this. This is equation 2, suppose. So substitute the value of y from EQ1 in EQ2. See, the value of y from value of y from 1, that is y is equal to x by 8 by x. This value is substitute in equation 2. This is equation 2. What is equation 2? Minus x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. In this you substitute instead of y 8 by x. So x is same, instead of y 8 by x you write, plus 2 is equal to 0. Now LCM x you take x times minus x square plus 1 time 8 plus 1 time 2x is equal to 0. By cross multiplication, minus x square x you write plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. For x square we don't want minus, means throughout multiply with minus. Minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. By this we should solve the roots. So plus or minus 8 is there. So that's why by subtracting we should get this. The factors are 4 into 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 only. So x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. X into x minus 4 plus 2 into x minus 4 is 0. Okay. Now x minus 4 into x plus 2 is 0. Now x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 2. Minus values we are neglecting. X is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4. Y is equal to by this equation on 8 by x, that is 8 by 4, that is 2. Therefore the required number is what? X plus 10y, that is the number. So x is 4 plus 10 into y is 2. 4 plus 10 2s are 20. So 24. The required number is 24. So now see, once checking, see the two digits number, see 2 digits only, such that the product of the digits is 8. See, digits product of 2 4s are 8. When 18 is added, see 18 add the numbers are interchanged. See, the numbers interchanged. So now next problem, see, a piece of wire 8 meters length cut into 2 pieces and each piece is bent into a square. Where should the cut in the wire be made if the sum of the areas of squares is to be 2 meters square? Suppose a wire is there, suppose AB of length 8 meters. Somewhere we should cut. Suppose here I cutted, then this I will bend it into square, this piece also I bend it into square. So this area square becomes 2 meters square, like that, such that we should cut. Suppose because of the, depending upon the cut, the lengths will vary, according to that only the areas will change. That's why condition is, when you are cutting 2 pieces, then each piece you bend into square. That square areas total should be equal to 2 meters square, like that condition is there. Okay, we should cut 2 pieces. So that's why let the length of the first piece is equal to x meters. So such that I took length of the first piece here, like that I cutted. Let the length of the first piece x meters. Total length of the wire given how much? 8 meters. Therefore length of the second piece 2 pieces we should cut. So first piece, second piece length, total is 8 minus in that first piece length is x, so you reduce that one. This is length of the second piece. Now you should remember this piece I am taking first piece, I am bending it into square. Next piece, suppose next piece, this also I am bending into square. Then what we should understand by this means the length of the piece is equal to perimeter of the square, because this wire only bending into 4 sides, forming like square. When you are forming like square, totally this square total sides length is this only, so that's why perimeter is this one. So length of the piece is equal to perimeter of the square. Okay, now here two pieces we formed into squares. Okay, two pieces we formed into squares. First piece length x, second piece length x minus 8 minus x. Now perimeter of the first square. See, perimeter of the first square we bended into squares. So first piece we bended, that's why perimeter of the first square is equal to length of the first piece. Length of the first piece only perimeter of the, that is what, x meters. So perimeter of the first square is x meters. Therefore side of the first square, so two squares, so side of the first square what, perimeter is there, side you want what, by 4. Perimeter we know, perimeter of square is 4s, perimeter is given, side you want, s is equal to, so perimeter is equal to what, 4 into s. So perimeter given, s you want means what, perimeter by 4, so this is the perimeter by 4, then side will come. So side of the first square is x by 4 meters. So in the same way, perimeter of the second square, perimeter of the second square is equal to length of the second square, length of the second piece, length of the second piece, that is what, 8 minus x meters, 8 minus x meters. Perimeter of the second square only, length of the second piece, that is this. Now therefore side of the second square, side of the second square, 8 minus x by 4 meters. This is side of the second square. Once you got sides, we can calculate areas. So that's why area of the first square, area of the first square is equal to, side of the first square is x by 4, that's why its area is this one, so x square by 16. So like that, area of the second square, we know the side of the second one, so area is therefore x minus 4 by x minus 8 minus x by 4 whole square. So this is the second square area, this is first square area, second square area. Now sum of the two squares area, sum of the two squares area, what, that is sum, x square by 16 first one plus another one 8 minus x by 4 whole square, this is sum. But according to given problem, the sum of the areas of these two squares, according to given problem, sum of the areas of the two squares is 2 meter square. Therefore the sum of the areas should be equal to 2. So x square by 16 plus 8 minus x whole square by 16, I expanded this square is equal to 2, it should be equal to 2. Now LCM 16 you take, only one time x square, only one time 8 minus x whole square is 2. By cross multiplication, x square plus 8 minus x whole square is 62 the 32. Now further expand this a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab, 2 into 8 16 x 2ab plus b square is equal to 32. Now x square plus x square 2x square, next x term 16x, numbers plus 64, this come to this side, minus 32 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 16x plus 32, because 64 minus 32 plus is more, is equal to 0. With 2 you can divide throughout, x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now you should split 16 plus only 8 should come. 4 4s are, then 4 plus 4 8. Okay. Now x square minus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. X into x minus 4, minus should come. 4 into x minus 4, see, x minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 4 into x minus 4 is 0. Both are same only came. So x minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. X means what? Length of the first piece. So length of the first piece is equal to 4. Meters means meters. So length of the second piece, 8 minus x, that is 8 minus 4, that is also 4. So length of the first piece is 4, length of the second piece also 4. Therefore the cut should be at the center of the wire. So like that we should cut. Where we should cut, he asked, because at first piece at 4 centimeters, totally is 8 only. 8, 4 means middle of the 8. So that's why the cut should be at the center of the wire. Like that we should cut. Then according to that given conditions, the squares will form. I hope everyone understood this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.